Alright guys, today we're working on this 1979 Yamaha DT175. Right now the bike does not run. The piston rings were actually destroyed on it and the bike had zero compression. As you can see now I have the complete top end of the bike taken apart, and first thing we're going to do to it is install the new piston and piston rings. The piston here is all scored and ruined, and the inside of the cylinder is a little bit scratched up. So we're going to hone out the cylinder and replace this piston. Alright guys, right here we have the new piston. It's about $100. See, brand new piston. I believe it's aluminum. I don't know for sure, but that thing is really lightweight. New rings, new C-clamps. So yeah, we're going to start by taking off the old piston. Okay guys, as you can see, the piston here has a bunch of grooves in it. The top of it has some chunks out of it. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, that's why we bought the new one. Alright guys, piston is installed. Piston rings and everything. So now I just gotta hone out the cylinder because there's some grooves in it, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, skip ahead a little bit. Got the cylinder all honed out, and we got the engine for the most part put back together. Just gonna wrap some things up on finishing it up. Alright, got everything reassembled.